For $25, I got this Lego minifigure lot. Let's see. Was it worth it? Cole, the Golden Weapons. Bandit. Jar Jar Binks, printed head. Spidey, medium legs, black spider logo. Hoth officer. Cairo thug. Astromech droid R5D8.